Here's a 2009 Acura TSX. A race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its strong performance, confident handling, comfortable seating, and chock full of the latest high-tech features. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.